Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into the sometimes scary world of screen time. Yep, I'm about to show you how to check just how many hours you've spent glued to your Android device. Spoiler, it might shock you a bit. Hey, we are here to face the digital truth. Here's what we are covering in this video. How to find the digital well-being feature on Android. How to see a breakdown of your screen time. Alternative methods if you don't have digital well-being on your device. By the end of this video, you will be fully equipped to check and maybe even cut down your screen time. Let us get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Alright, first things first. Open the Settings app. You know, the one that looks like a little gear icon. You can usually find it on your home screen, in the app drawer, or the notification bar if you are feeling extra fancy. Step 2. Find Digital Well-being. Now scroll down until you spot Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Think of it as the part of your phone that wants you to actually spend less time on it. Tap on it to enter the world of digital self-reflection. Pro tip: if you cannot find it, no worries. Use the search bar at the top of Settings and type in Digital Well-being. It should pop right up. Your phone has no secrets from you now. Step 3. View your screen time. Once you're in Digital Well-being, brace yourself. You will see an overview of your screen time for the day. You might see something like 4 hours and 16 minutes, which is your phone's gentle nudge that maybe it's time to take a break or not. No judgment here. And hey, in order for you not to be judged, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 4. Check detailed screen time. Ready to dive even deeper? Tap on the little graph icon in the top right. This will show you your daily average screen time and even allow you to select specific days for a detailed view. So if you're curious why Thursday's screen time was off the charts, probably some extra scrolling through those late night videos, now you will know. Alternative option: Stay Free app. Now if your Android doesn't have digital well-being, do not worry. You can download the app Stay Free Screen Time Tracker from the Google Play Store. Here's the quick rundown. Open Google Play Store, search for Stay Free Screen Time Tracker, and install it. Accept the terms of service and input your birth year. Grant accessibility permissions so it can track your app usage accurately. Bonus: Stay Free even lets you track multiple devices if you are feeling especially ambitious about cutting down on all screens. And that's it. Now you know how to check your screen time on Android. Whether through digital well-being or Stay Free, you are all set to take control of your screen time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and hacks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time, preferably with a little less screen time. Bye for now.